Hello everyone, I am Ankesh. Welcome to my channel. So now when we have already done everything manually, we are planning to do it in an automated fashion. Automated deployment means the SCM has to get integrated to Jenkins, which we have done. Code has to get built if any commits are made to the SCM. It means when we are committing any changes to our source code repository, the Jenkins job has to build automatically. And then the artifacts has to get pushed automatically, and the code has to get deployed to our Tomcat server. That should also be in an automated fashion. This will be coming under a CI/CD pipeline. So when we are able to make it automated, the whole CI/CD pipeline will be finished. So for that, what we are going to do is we are quickly coming into Jenkins and to check how many builds we have created. It means we have created 5 builds, and in Artifactory, I will just refresh the page, and we can see the last build is 5. This is my web server, like a production Tomcat server, and then my application is up and running. Now going back to the build, I will go inside the configure, and then there is an option called poll SCM. Poll SCM, it means it will poll my source code management or the source code repository every minute or every hour, whatever time we are setting, and it will change. It will see if there are any commits. Once the developer are making any commit to our source code management, it will come here and trigger the job by its own. So what I am planning to give is like to check out my source code repository every minute. For that, I have to give star, 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 and star, 5 stars. Do you really mean every minute when you say star, 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 star? Yeah, I mean really every minute, because I don't want to wait it for a long time. And I'm going to save it. Now we can see 5 builds are already there. Okay. This is my Tomcat. This is my JFrog server, Tomcat server. I am quickly going into my source code repository, the source where the whole configuration of the page is written. I'm going into. So it's the JSP page, and I'm going to edit it. So you can see the color is somewhat greenish. I will quickly go and change the color to red. I want this blood red to be there. Copy it, and then make the changes here. The background. Yeah, and I changed it to the color which I wanted, like the red color, 232, 23, and 47. Yep. And now I'm going to make a commit. Fine. So I have committed it. I have made the changes. Once I've committed it, I will come and check my Jenkins job. I'm not doing anything. Let's see within a minute it is going to trigger a job or not. You can see a job has started pending in quiet period, and the job has started. We'll wait for it to finish. We have not touched anything. The moment we made any changes in source code repository, the job over here in Jenkins has already started. And now the job is finished successfully. We can see the blue dot over here. We'll go into our artifactory. Now the last build is ID is 5. I'll refresh it. Let's check what is the last build ID. And yeah, it is 6 now. We have made changes in our web page, which I'm going to refresh and check whether it is done or not. And you can see the color is already here. So what we created is a CI/CD pipeline, that is continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline, where if a developer is going to commit any changes in the source code repository, the Jenkins job will trigger automatically. It will build it through Maven, push the artifacts into Artifactory, that is also in an automated way, and then come and change the deployment server. Means it will deploy the new codes into the server. And that's where we are going to finish this. Thank you for watching the video. Hit like if you really like the video. Subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you have any queries in this. Thank you.